day 30 of Inktober, and today's theme or topic is JOLT. And as you know, the last 3 days I'm making them more challenging for myself. So I'm just making a random sketch of an Eskimo shivering to death, I guess. Maybe so. I just added a skull to it. And before, I thought I would just do the whole thing with my pencil brush pen, like the holy grail product for me and I guess for every other artist. But later on I thought I had some time left, so I just thought I'd add a few details, like random details, nothing else, just using the alcohol markers to give a slight shadow and light effect. And that's it for today's video, and tomorrow's video is going to be the last one, and I'm already super bummed about it. Like, after that I don't know what the hell am I going to do with my life, but I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.